Díagwit gach duine agus conas atá tú. An seachtain seo caite bhíamar ag fálam faoin Aimsir. Agus deala míamar a lot. We learned a lot of different words. An gwiven lat cad iad. An gwiven lat. Do you remember? So, one trial as. Try and say them before I tell you the answers. An céad ceann. The first one. Cad é sin. Remember, you try and say it yourself before I give you the answer. Cad é an céad ceann. Ag cur báistí. Ag cur báistí. And if you didn't get it, repeat it with me. Cad é an dara ceann. Ag stala báistí. Ag stala báistí. An tríú ceann. Floch. Tá mé floch. Tá sé floch. An cathrú ceann. Floch go crackin. Wet right through to the skin. Tá mé floch go crackin. Floch go crackin. An cúgu ceann. Ag cur sneachta. So remember to say it with me if you didn't know it. Ag cur sneachta. An séú ceann. Ag plúca sneachta. That's when it's more heavy. Ag plúca sneachta. An seachtú ceann. Fuair. Tá mé fuair. Tá sé fuair. It's cold. Fuair. Agus an tuchtú ceann. Ag crit leis an bhuacht. So if you didn't know that one, say it with me. Tá mé ag crit leis an bhuacht. Tá mé ag crit leis an bhuacht. Okay, inis an dara líne, second line, céad ceann, first one. An gui ag séide. So if you didn't know it, say it with me. Tá an gui ag séide. Or we could say tá sé guifer. Tá an gui ag séide. An dara ceann. Tá an gui ag séide go loidir. Tá an gui ag séide go loidir. An tríú ceann. I méal na guithe. I méal na guithe. Tá mé I méal na guithe. An cathrú ceann. An ghrian ag tatnamh. Tá an ghrian ag tatnamh. An cúgu ceann. Tá an ghrian ag scuilte na gluch. The sun is splitting the stones. Tá an ghrian ag scuilte na gluch. Tá an ghrian ag scuilte na gluch. An séú ceann. Daite ag an rian. So tanned or coloured by the sun. Tá mé. We would say tá mé because it would be yourself you're talking about. Tá mé daite ag an rian. Tá mé daite ag an rian. And if you spend too long there, dóite ag an rian. Tá mé dóite ag an rian. Okay, an tríú líne, céad ceann, scamalach. Scamalach. An dara ceann. Tá an spéir dubh le scamal. So tá an spéir dubh le scamal. The sky is black with cloud. Tá an spéir dubh le scamal. An tríú ceann. Ceover. Tá sé ceover. An cathrú ceann. And remember, with all of these, if you don't know them, make sure you say them with me, because that's how you'll learn them. Kyo I nach oich. Fog everywhere. Tá kyo I nach oich. Tá kyo I nach oich. An cúga ceann, tintrach. So we could say connic me tintrach. I saw lightning. Or tá tintrach ann. There is lightning. Tá tintrach ann. An séo ceann, tornach. Chúla me tornach. I heard thunder. Or tá tornach ann. There is thunder. An seachtú ceann, this is an choked, the temperature. Tá an choked cuig chéim Celsius. That's a tricky one. Say that one with me. Tá an choked cuig chéim Celsius. Tá an choked cuig chéim Celsius. Agus an ceann dearnach, the last one, when we're talking about changes in the weather, we say tá an Aimsir ag éirí. It is getting. So tá an Aimsir ag éirí níos fearr. Better. Tá an Aimsir ag éirí níos massa. Worse. Tá an Aimsir ag éirí níos teo. Hotter. Tá an Aimsir ag éirí níos fuaire. Colder. Or we could just say tá sé ag éirí níos fearr massa teo fuaire. It is getting. Okay, so let's do a test. Dún do hula. Okay, céim ceann a thóg mé. Which one did I take? Céim ceann a thóg mé. Thóg mé daite ag an rian. Tanned by the sun. Thóg mé daite ag an rian. Dún do hula arís. Agus céim ceann a thóg mé. Thóg mé an spéir dubh le scamal. The sky black with clouds. Thóg mé an spéir dubh le scamal. Dún do hula arís. Céim ceann a thóg mé. Thóg mé tá an teocht cuig céim Celsius. Thóg mé tá an teocht cuig céim Celsius. Okay, dún do hula arís. Oscail do hula agus cad a thóg mé. Thóg mé ag plúca sneachta. Thóg mé ag plúca sneachta. Dún do hula arís. Oscail do hula cad a thóg mé. Thóg mé ag crit leis an bhuacht. Ag crit leis an bhuacht. Okay, dún do hula arís. Oscail do hula cad a thóg mé. Thóg mé tá an Aimsir ag éirí níos. So the weather is getting ag éirí níos massa, fuair, teo, níos fearr. Dún do hula arís. Okay, oscail do hula cad a thóg mé. Thóg mé tá an grian ag scuilte na gluch. Okay, so what are we going to have for homework this week? Cad é an oberwallia den seachtain. So an seachtain seo tá tú chun dílan na haimsire a scríb. You're going to write a weather journal. And for each day, tá mé ag éirí go scríbí tú 3 abert. I'm hoping that you will write 3 sentences. So, seo dit sampla. Here's an example. So for day luan, Monday, tá mé ag éirí go scríbí tú rud faoi inné. So first sentence, something about yesterday. So that would be day down. That would be something about what was the weather like on Sunday. So have a look. We use inné for yesterday and V for was. That's very important that those words go together. Inné bhí sé ag curbáistí. Sin abert a hain. Sentence 1. Anish, aber do. Rud fui inniu, something about today. Inniu, tá sé fuair agus scamalach. So again, look at the colour coding. Inniu and tá, today and is, they have to go together. Inniu, tá sé fuair agus scamalach. Sin aber do, sentence 2. Aber trí, I bet you can guess what I want. Rud fui amórach, something about tomorrow. Amórach beg, again, tomorrow and will be, they have to go together. Amórach beg an grian ag tatnamh. Now, if you're wondering, how do I write about tomorrow? Well, use your thinking powers there. You either have a guess and make it up, or you could go onto a tablet or a computer or the television and feche réamh aisnéis na Aimsir. Watch the weather forecast. Okay, so that's what I want. 3 sentences. 3 abert. Now, if you want to, you can go even further and write a 4th sentence. You could say, Tá an Aimsir ag éirí níos fearr. But what we definitely want is 3 sentences. 3 abert. Aber a hain, fui inné. Aber do, fui inniu. Agus aber trí, fui amórach. Fécer sampla eile. Dé mórch. Aber a hain. Inné, bhí sé fuair agus scamalach. Aber do, inniu, tá an teocht 10 game Celsius. Agus aber trí, amórach, big kyo in nacháit. And again, if you wanted to push yourself a little further, aber cahar, tan Aimsir ag éirí níos massa. So, one more time. Tá mé gig éirí go scríbhí tú 3 abert gach lá, 3 sentences every day. Inné, inniu, agus amórach. Try not to use the same sentences each day. And then we'll do the same thing for de cédín, de deirdín, and de hína. All of the spellings are here in this video. You can pause it to find them. You can go back to the very start to find all the vocabulary you need. So, Lánigi araig agus go méach an tá live. Off you go, and good luck.